Hey, what's up guys? It's Friday and gold is at an all-time high, so I thought this video should cover just that. These are some gold bars and gold ingots that just sold at auction for a ton of money, so it can put real prices on some historical gold, and we'll talk about the prices of gold just in general, so you know how to get into gold and silver stacking. Let's get into it. So first off, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to dive into one of my favorite parts of American numismatic history, and I think a bunch of you will really like the video. These massive gold bars and ingots tell a story of the California Gold Rush, the tragic sinking of the SS Central America, and of the San Francisco Mint. So I thought it'd be really cool to cover all three of those things. We'll cover three incredible verified sales, with ingots weighing hundreds of ounces, and some selling for over $1 million. First up, let's talk about the giant. A Justh Hunter gold ingot weighing 649.15 ounces. This incredible relic was recovered from the SS Central America, also known as the Ship of Gold. It's the second largest Justh Hunter bar ever auctioned, and one of only 13 known in the colossal size weight class. This thing is stamped 649.15 ounces, 875 fine, $11,741.76. This bar was assayed in San Francisco before being shipped east, until the hurricane of 1857 took the ship and her treasure down. It sold at auction for millions of dollars, not only for its sheer size, but for its direct connection to the most famous shipwreck in numismatic history. The sales price? $2.13 million. Next, we move forward nearly a century to 1951, when the San Francisco Mint produced this 398.55 ounce gold ingot. Now, unlike private assayers such as Kellogg and Humbert, or Justh Hunter, this one is a true U.S. government product. Stamped with the Type II oval hallmark, it's one of the rarest federal mint ingots in the 400-ounce class. This thing is one of the rarest things gold-wise to hit public auction. In fact, this piece corrected the historical record, showing that the San Francisco Mint was still making vertical hallmark ingots into the 1950s. It sold for an impressive $1.3 million in August of 2025. Now, a collector tip is U.S. mint ingots are extremely scarce, even more so than many shipwreck bars like the previous one. Condition and hallmark variety can make or break value, whether it's a smaller one or a large, almost 400-ounce bar like this. Our third ingot takes us all the way back to the Gold Rush. It's a 130.68 ounce Kellogg and Humbert bar. Many of you are familiar with Kellogg and Humbert. This is also from the Central America shipwreck. This hefty ingot is marked number 890, Kellogg and Humbert hallmark, 130.68 ounces, 898 fine, and the dollar amount of $2,425.85. The bar has a cut corner, russet patina, and bold historic character. It's really beautiful. Only about 343 Kellogg and Humbert ingots were recovered from the Central America, ranging from just 5 ounces all the way up to almost 1,000 ounces. This example is classified as very large size. Sold in January of 2025 for $348,000. Now, ingots of this pedigree and from name collections like this have provenance that can add tens of thousands of dollars of value, so that's something to keep in mind. Now let's get back to reality. So what does all this history mean for collectors and stackers today? While most of us can't swing 7 figures or even the hundreds of dollars for some shipwreck ingot, the fundamentals of gold and silver collecting remain the same. Right now, gold is trading near record highs. Silver is also hitting record highs as well. For new stackers, starting with fractional gold coins, silver rounds, or American Eagles is one of the smartest ways to build a base, I think. For experienced collectors, people with a little more money, looking for rare bars and pedigreed bullion with traceable history is really going to pad your collection. The lesson here basically is whether you're buying a 1/10 of an ounce eagle or studying the market for rare ingots, Provenance, rarity, and condition are the keys that determine value. So stack smart, diversify between bullion and numismatic products, and always buy from reputable sources. I have tons of those linked on my website, varietyerrors.com. These 3 gold ingots represent, I think, the pinnacle of American gold history. But you can let me know what you think in the comments. These are from the gold rush shipwrecks to the U.S. Mint itself. So I think it covered a good amount of history there in just 3 products. If you enjoyed this dive into rare bars and ingots and a little touch on the current gold and silver market, then follow, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'll see you there, and I'll see you in the next video.